Hello, my beautiful souls. Welcome back to Glamour Cafe, your space to reconnect with what's real, radiant, and feminine. I'm Rebecca, and today's episode is a little different. It's about you, not your skincare, not your workouts, but your inner glow. That soft, unshakable light that lives inside every woman, especially after 40. This is your time to slow down, to soften, to reconnect with yourself as a woman. So grab your favorite drink, light a candle if you want, and let's talk about feminine rituals, relaxation, and how to feel more like yourself again. What does it mean to be feminine after 40? Let's start with this. Femininity doesn't mean being small, quiet, or delicate. It means being in tune with your rhythm, your feelings, your presence. And yes, that evolves with age. In our 40s, 50s, and beyond, something incredible begins to happen. We start caring less about what others think. We crave peace over noise, we want depth over drama, and we feel ready to own who we are. That's power. And it's incredibly feminine. But in a world that moves so fast, we sometimes lose touch with that essence. That's where rituals come in. Daily rituals to anchor your energy. Rituals are small, sacred acts that help you return to yourself. They don't need to be fancy or long, but they do need to be intentional. Here are a few simple rituals I love. Morning check-in, 5 minutes. Before grabbing your phone, place one hand on your heart, one on your belly. Ask yourself, how do I feel today? Let the answer be honest. No fixing, just noticing. Tea or coffee with presence. Instead of rushing, take a moment to truly enjoy your drink. Feel the warmth, the taste, the quiet. Feminine journaling. Write down 3 things. What do I desire today? What do I need to release? What would feel beautiful right now? Getting ready with intention. Even if you're not going out, wear the perfume. Apply that lipstick. Do it for you. Because you're worth showing up for. Every single day. Beauty as a sensory experience. Beauty is not about looking a certain way. It's about how you feel in your body, your clothes, your space. Start asking, what textures do I love? What music brings me alive? What scents calm me? This could be a silky robe that makes you feel elegant, music that stirs something inside you, a warm oil massage before bed, using a face roller not as a task, but as a gift. When we let beauty be felt, not just seen, something awakens in us. Reclaiming sensuality without shame. Let's talk about something many women don't talk about openly. Sensuality. Being sensual doesn't mean being sexual. It means being present in your body, feeling alive in your skin, smelling, touching, moving with awareness. You are allowed to feel desire, pleasure, and softness without guilt or apology. You don't need permission. You already have it. Try this. Run your hands slowly over your arms. Breathe deeply. Feel the air against your skin. Smile at yourself in the mirror. That's sensuality. Reconnecting with your feminine energy means returning to the senses. Letting go of doing it all. Many women over 40 are still trying to do everything. Career, family, caretaking, organizing, and it's exhausting. So here's your gentle reminder. You don't have to earn rest. You don't need to prove your worth through productivity. Sometimes the most feminine thing you can do is stop. Say no. Cancel what doesn't serve you. Take the nap. Ask for help. Let yourself receive. You are allowed to receive. That's not weakness. That's wisdom. Cultivating inner glow. Through stillness. Your inner glow isn't something you apply. It's something you cultivate. Try these quiet moments. Sit in silence for 3 minutes a day. Watch the light through the window. Place flowers on your table. Speak kindly to yourself. Light incense or essential oils, just because. These small acts nourish the soul. You don't have to earn them. You deserve them. Your glow doesn't depend on age. It depends on how deeply connected you are to you. Thank you for taking this gentle journey with me today. You are more than your skin, your schedule, or your roles. You are a woman, radiant, powerful, deeply feminine. Whatever season of life you're in, you still carry softness. You still carry magic. And it's never too late to come home to yourself. If you ever feel lost, return to the little things: breath, touch, beauty, silence. And if you need support, don't hesitate to connect with a trusted friend, coach, or therapist. You don't have to navigate it alone. Next time, we'll continue exploring the world of mature beauty and soulful confidence. So stay close. Subscribe to Glamour Cafe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an episode. If this message spoke to you, please give it a like and share it with a friend. Until then, keep glowing, keep softening, keep returning to yourself. You are so deeply worthy. See you soon. Bye for now.